Check, test, 1, 2. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, once again, October 22nd, and it is Friday. Oh, conscious crypto, do I have something for you today? Every day at 2 o'clock, my name is MC Medina from 2 to 3, giving you a solid hour of the latest and the greatest in decentralized crypto news. Let's get into the numbers for today. Looks like across the board, still pretty low. We got more of a dip with Bitcoin going all the way down to $60,496. Ethereum, 3,947, and that is a 3.41% dip. XRP down 1.7%. We've got Bitcoin Cash at 619 and Doge going up to 24 cents, but down for the last 24 hours at negative 1.66%. All right, let's get into some of the top gainers. Let's look at the prices here. The top gainers right now, looks like we've got Phantom. And this is really weird because this morning I was looking and Solana had gone up about 14%. Looks like it has gone down just a little bit after a continued spike for Solana. Currently at a 10% increase in the last 24 hours. Then we've got Phantom at the very top with a 13.25% increase in the last 24 hours. Then right after that, we've got Theta at 11.36%. Curve DAO token, CRV, we've got it at up 10.22%. Mirror Protocol up 10%, Solana up 10.08%, and then Avalanche, Elron, Terra Luna, Algorand, Tribe, Fetch AI, IOTA, Gitcoin, Teller, Monero, Playdap, Cody, Band Protocol, Orion Protocol, Polkadot, Ren, Horizon, and Engine Coin all experiencing gains in the last 24 hours. If you guys are holding Cartesi, please put a comment below because I want to know how that is going for you. I've heard a lot of, been hearing a lot in the news about Cartesi recently. So I'd like to know more on how that is going for you. Now let's get on to the Twitch. And normally we light some Palo Santo before at the beginning of the session. And so let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to light some Palo Santo and some sage so we can clear the room out and bring in some positive energies here. And we're opening up the chat right now. I want to know, what are your top 3 coins and what wallet do you use? We're going to check the sounds here. And we're opening up the chat right now. Oh, yeah. Good to go. Okay, let's open up the chat. Let's host it. We're going to copy the link. We're going to host it. Host the channel. Bam. Let's do this. Got it. We are good to go. All right, Conscious Crypto, Friday, October 22nd. I'm looking forward to this weekend. We're going to see what type of fluctuation we could maybe expect to have over the weekend, getting closer to Halloween. And I want to get into this altcoins breakout, even as the Bitcoin price falls to 60. Now, this is a conversation that I was having with my girlfriend the other day. I know everybody noticed Bitcoin went up. Ethereum went up. A lot of coins went up. Now, in the last couple days, we've noticed that Bitcoin has gone down. I did a little bit of research, guys, and I think I know what happened here. Now, the main and most popular coin that people normally will learn about first whenever they learn about cryptocurrency is what? Bitcoin. Exactly. So soon after people learn about Bitcoin, what's the second one that people normally learn about? Ethereum. Yes, that's right. So people first learn about Bitcoin, then they learn about Ethereum, and normally they will learn about Litecoin. Now, there's so many other altcoins that have been popping up within the last few years that they're gaining more and more application. And the more application that a coin has, the more we see a rise in the adoption rate, which means more people will start to use that coin for different purposes. Now, what we've seen with the Bitcoin spike and then it dipping is essentially, it's a direct, pretty much what that's showing us is that there's a lot of gains being had through Bitcoin. And what people are doing with those gains, they're putting them towards altcoins, which is why we see coins like Solana not dipping, but actually continuing to move up. Rune, OKB, and Mover pressed higher even as traders continue to pull profits from Ether and Bitcoin. Now, today, Bitcoin price and Ethereum price pulled back to lower support levels after an exciting week that saw Bitcoin soar to a new all-time high after the successful launch of 2 exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. While much of the focus has been on Bitcoin and Ethereum, multiple altcoins have racked up notable gains as some traders appear to be preparing for a possible alt season run. Thorchain up 20%, Moonriver up 19%, OKB up 18%, Polka Starter up 15%, Solana we see up 13%, Secret up 12%, and Avalanche is up 12.68%. Now, the data is showing that the biggest gainers over the past 24 hours were Thorchain, Moonriver, and OKB. Thorchain resumes trading on the Ethereum network. It is a decentralized liquidity protocol that offers cross-chain access to different blockchain networks and lets users retain full custody of their assets while transacting between networks. According to data from experts, market conditions for Rune have been favorable for some time. The Vortex score exclusively here is an algorithmic comparison of historical and current market conditions derived from a combination of data points, including market sentiment, trading volume, recent price movements, and of course, Twitter activity. Now, as seen here on the Vortex score for Rune, Rune has been elevated in the green zone for the majority of the past week and reached a high of 74 on October 18th, around 19 hours before its price increased 60% over the next 2 days. The renewed momentum for Rune comes following the resumption of trading on the Ethereum network, which had been halted since the protocol suffered an 8 million hack back in July of 2021. Let's get into Moonriver. Moonriver expands its ecosystem and is one of the newly launched Kasuma parachain protocols that is an Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform providing a permanently incentivized canary network. Data coming in shows that after hitting a low of $234 on October 19th, the price of Mover, MOVR, has surged 75% to an intraday high of $410 on October 22nd today, as its 24-hour trading volume climbed above 59 million. The rally seen in the price of Mover comes as the project has established new partnerships across the cryptocurrency ecosystem, including a collaboration with the Graph protocol and integration with SushiSwap. So Mover making big moves right now on the Graph protocol, integrating to SushiSwap. Now we have OKEX launching a meme coin campaign. OKB is the native token of the Malta-based cryptocurrency exchange OKX, and it functions as the utility token for the OKX ecosystem. The data coming in began to detect a bullish outlook for OKB yesterday, October 21st, prior to the recent price rise. Now, what we're seeing, OKB began to rise into the green zone on October 21st, yesterday, and reached a high of 76, around 9 hours before its price increased 25% over the next day. According to the news Quakes service from the Cointelegraph Markets Pro, the rally in OKB came after the exchange enabled one-click staking for US dollar coin, USDC, which offers a return of 20%, as well as the launch of a meme coin campaign where users can compete to have their favorite meme coins listed on the exchange. Now, the overall cryptocurrency market cap now, as it stands, $2.51 trillion, and Bitcoin's dominance rate is at 45.5. So altcoins, Rune, OKB, and Mover are making big moves. While Bitcoin is going down, we've got other altcoins that are coming in hot, still going up. Tell me what your favorite altcoins are, because I want to know. And this came out 1 minute ago from Turner Wright. Reddit may be preparing to launch its own NFT platform. Okay, let's go Reddit. Other social media platforms, including Twitter and Facebook, have been working to support NFTs, if not create a competitor to major marketplaces. All right, let's see, get some music going here. Okay, social media platform Reddit appears to be hiring workers to support the design, build, and maintenance of a non-fungible token platform. According to a Greenhouse job posting, Reddit is looking for a senior backend engineer for a platform responsible for millions of users to create, buy, sell, and use NFT-backed digital goods. The position requires at least 5 years of experience in the backend development, as well as the ability to design and implement complex distributed systems operating under high load. If there is one thing we've noticed with NFTs, they too have an incredible power to create a sense of participation and belonging, said the job posting. With every new NFT project, a vibrant community of owners pops up with it. Fans of today's biggest creators and brands are now flocking to buy digital goods directly from them, to support them, to gain exclusive access, and to feel a greater sense of connection with them. Over time, we believe this will only grow, and NFTs will play a central role in how fans support their favorite creators and communities. Reddit has acted as a medium, bringing together crypto users for years, with the platform's subreddits largely responsible for pumping prices of tokens, including Dogecoin. Users can also earn the platform's community points, digital currency like tokens, in the form of moons or bricks, by posting certain content to earn rewards. While some crypto exchanges have been slowly launching their own NFT marketplaces, social media platforms have also been working to support the technology, if not create a competitor to OpenSea. Social media giant Facebook hinted its Novi wallet would likely support NFTs, and Twitter revealed in September that it was working towards allowing users to display an NFT as their profile picture. According to Reddit, the NFT movement has only just begun. How many people are using Reddit right now for their crypto community news? Really interesting. Reddit making big moves on considering to be an NFT platform. Wow, that's pretty good stuff. Crypto breaks Wall Street ETF barrier. A watershed moment or stopgap? Interesting. Okay. Valkyrie Bitcoin futures linked ETF launches on NASDAQ, with share prices dropping 3% in the first hour. Interesting. Okay. Let's get into some PayPal news. PayPal logs its largest Bitcoin volume since May. Bitcoin price crash. The world's leading payment services provider processed $145.6 million worth of Bitcoin trades on the day BTC rallied to its record high of $67,000. Good job, Bitcoin. Good job, Bitcoin and PayPal. Looks like people are trusting that as a platform. Bitcoin trading volumes on global payment service provider PayPal reached $145.6 million on October 20th, just as the benchmark crypto rallied towards its record high near $67,000. The latest spike in volumes came out to be the highest since May 19th. Bitcoin price crashed from around $43,500 to as low as $30,000. On the day, some $304 million worth of Bitcoin changed hand, almost doubled the volumes logged on October 20th. Nonetheless, in both instances, it was unclear if the volumes were due to the increase in purchasing during the Bitcoin price rally or sell-offs near the newly achieved highs. Whatever the reason may be, the PayPal readings reflected a rise in retail activity on October 20th, further attested to by a spike in internet queries from the keyword Bitcoin. Now, is this a retail boom? Notably, PayPal allows users to start investing in Bitcoin by putting as little as $1. As a result, the payment service firm has emerged as a viable platform for retail investors, a move seen by the industry as a cue for wider crypto adoption. Increasingly, since PayPal's push into the crypto sector, the sum count of unique addresses holding at least $1 worth of Bitcoin has surged from 26.83 million on November 20th to 33.89 million. Meanwhile, on October 20th, the count was 34.12 million as an all-time high. Alexander Vasiliev, the co-founder and chief customer officer of crypto payment service Mercurio, saw PayPal's foray into the crypto industry as a sign of retail boom. He expected Bitcoin to end the fourth and final quarter of 2021 in profits as everyday traders look for safety nets against a persistently rising inflation. The increased buying pressure from PayPal users and its corresponding impact on the price of Bitcoin may stir a notable upshoot this fourth quarter and as the year runs to an end. Vasiliev told us, adding, the company has millions of customers and a massive buy-up of Bitcoin can effectively push Bitcoin to new highs. With the ATH at 67,000, we may see a worst-case price hit of 80,000 by the end and a best-case scenario of 100,000. PayPal has around 392 million active users worldwide, but its crypto services are available only in the United States and in the United Kingdom. Meanwhile, the company is also eyeing an entry into the decentralized finance sector, signaling expansion outside the Bitcoin sector. Again, guys, these views and opinions expressed here are solely of those of the author and do not necessarily reflect my personal views or Casa de Prana or even Conscious Crypto. Every investment and trading move involve risks, and you should conduct your own research when making a decision. All right? And what do we have next? Looks like PayPal's making big moves. Solana still going up. Thanks, Gaia Electra. Looks like she left a comment there. 200 Bitcoin ATMs installed at Walmart with plans for 8,000 in total. Walmart plans to eventually install 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs in the US and has installed 200 in a pilot program. Congratulations, Walmart. This is really big for you guys. I'm glad you finally hopped on board. Walmart has partnered with coin cashing machine company Coinstar and crypto cash exchange CoinMe to install 200 Bitcoin ATMs in its stores across the United States. Although the pilot includes only 200 kiosks, the broader launch plans to eventually see the installation of 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs across the country. According to Bloomberg, there have been no further details on timelines as of yet. According to Coin ATM Radar, there are currently over 25,000 Bitcoin ATMs at select grocery stores and service stations in the United States. Coinstar operates 4,400 kiosks enabled for Bitcoin purchases across 33 states. Sam Doctor, Chief Strategy Officer and Head of Research at Bituda, told Bloomberg that Bitcoin ATMs aren't a new development and can already be found at many supermarkets. Walmart expands Bitcoin access to more people, though, and gives its further legitimacy among skeptics should they roll it out beyond an initial pilot. That's true. When the Bitcoin ATMs make it to Walmart, everybody's going to be like, they're going to be hopping on it and they're not going to want to miss out. Customers can use the Bitcoin ATM by inserting a banknote and receiving a paper voucher with a redemption code. To redeem the code, customers need to then set up a CoinMe account and complete a background check. Users cannot withdraw Bitcoin from their account with no indication of plans to offer this functionality in the near future. The Bitcoin ATMs have an 11% surcharge comprising of a 4% fee for the Bitcoin option plus an additional 7% cash exchange fee. As a point of comparison, popular crypto trading platforms Binance and Coinbase charge 3% to 4.5% and 3.99% for debit and credit card purchases, respectively. It is free to make a direct deposit from a bank account to a Binance or Coinbase wallet. The news was welcomed as a sign of mainstream adoption by some, including influencer Lark Davis, who tweeted, "Walmart selling Bitcoin now. Cool." However, other users have complained about the high fees. Bitcoin ATM fees are notoriously high, plus the current BTC price is always way higher when buying and lower when selling, tweeted Ike Grow in response to the news. It's a ripoff, but at least it's a sign of adoption. They think some people might want Bitcoin enough to pay huge fees, commented Reddit user u/Axatar in the subreddit r cryptocurrency. This isn't the first sign of interest that Walmart has shown in the crypto world. In August, the retail giant announced that it was seeking a crypto product lead to drive the company's digital currency strategy. The job listing has since been removed from the Walmart's website, but an advertisement for the role remains on LinkedIn. Walmart China has also teamed up with the blockchain-based supply chain management platform VeChain to track products. There was some skepticism over the Bitcoin ATM news, however, which comes hot on the heels of a fake Walmart press release in September, which announced a partnership with Litecoin. The hoax briefly set prices of the altcoin surging more than 20%. So big moves right now for Walmart. They're tapping in. Oh man, I've been waiting for this. Also, SHIB in Texas. You guys keep your eyes peeled for more Bitcoin ATMs in the SHIBs all over Texas. The governor, Greg Abbott, stated, I think it was, if it wasn't last week, it was the week before, that he wants to see more Bitcoin ATMs in the SHIBs all over Texas. Okay, looks like we got some more stories here. Too popular Bitcoin futures ETF in the danger of hitting upper limit for contracts. Crypto breaks Wall Street's EFT barriers. Let's see, what else do we have here? You guys please leave comments below in the comment section. I want to know what your top 3 coins are, and also what wallets do you trust. We're going to get into here in a little bit. We're going to get into trust.keys, which is a new platform bridging social media and the blockchain. And you also get a wallet, and you have access to the exchange all on one awesome app. It's a decentralized app. It is a DeFi app. And it's just like Facebook in regards to being social media. There's a news feed. You can upload photos. You can upload videos. And you can also send messages and add group messages. And everything is 100% super duper ridiculously encrypted. And it will be, in my opinion, a Facebook killer. Okay, let's get into Robinhood crypto wallet waitlist hits to 1 million people. Wow. I'm not sure how many people are using Robinhood. Please leave your comments below. If you do use Robinhood, I hopped on a couple days ago and my girlfriend found the news about Facebook renaming and rebranding itself. We see now that the crypto wallet waitlist on Robinhood is reaching 1 million people, and the CEO of Robinhood, Vlad Tenev, said crypto as an asset class is here to stay, and revealed that over 1 million users have signed up to the firm's crypto wallet waitlist. More than 1 million people are on the waitlist for Robinhood's long-awaited crypto wallet, according to Vlad Tenev. Speaking to Jim Cramer during CNBC's Disruptor 50 Summit on October 21st, that was yesterday, Tenev stated that he was very proud of Robinhood's progress in crypto, as he highlighted the firm's recent push to provide a crypto wallet for its users. A lot of people have been asking us for the ability to send and receive cryptocurrencies, transfer them to hardware wallets, transfer them onto the platform to consolidate. And, the crypto wallets waitlist is well over 1 million people now, which is very exciting. We see an opportunity to continue growing that business, he added. Robinhood users have long urged the company to develop a crypto wallet, as the platform currency does not support deposits or withdrawals and only allows users to buy crypto with US dollars and trade digital assets on the platform. On September 22nd, Robinhood finally announced its plans to roll out a digital asset wallet and open up a waitlist for the first access to the new feature. A Robinhood representative told MarketWatch last month that the wallet will debut this month for some users and will eventually open up to all users in early 2022. During the event, Tenev emphasized the importance of the emerging crypto sector, noting that it's here to stay as an asset class, and it holds specific advantages, such as being able to connect a global market. So, regardless of where you are in the world, whether you're in the United States or overseas, you can have a wallet. You can send people cryptocurrencies from that wallet to their wallet, he said. Robinhood first launched Bitcoin and Ethereum trading in 2018 for customers in 5 states. Robinhood has since expanded this altcoin support to assets such as Dogecoin and Litecoin, and currently allows traders based in all but 4 U.S. states to access its commission-free crypto trading services. When CEO Teven was asked if Robinhood would expand support to Shiba Inu, he suggested that it was unlikely anytime soon. He cited the firm's stringent listing policy. We only offer 7 coins currently. And I think it goes back to safety first, right? So we're not generally going to be the first to add any new asset. We want to make sure that it goes through a stringent set of criteria. Speaking on the firm's vision, Tenev argued that Robinhood offers a greater chance for financial inclusion than its competitors. He asserted that its commission-free trade structure changed the industry. Quote, I think that you look at cryptocurrencies, for instance, people are still paying 3%, 4% fees to access that market. You see a lot of opportunities to serve more customers that have seen less money, who are even more undeserved. Excuse me. Who are even more undeserved than the people who have now, he said. So Robinhood offering low percentages, almost free, to purchase any type of crypto on Robinhood is absolutely free. And it looks like they're going to be keeping their exchange rates also pretty low, pretty low. All right, we're going to get into, we're past the halfway mark. And let's get into some of the DeFi news. Okay. Major DeFi founders back play-to-earn game that hopes to be the next Flappy Bird. A new blockchain-based coin-to-earn game called Fancy Birds hopes to emulate the success of the addictive mobile phenomenon Flappy Bird. A new play-to-earn P2E blockchain game that hopes to emulate the addictive success of 2013 mobile phenomenon Flappy Bird has drawn backing from some of DeFi's biggest names. Excuse me, guys. Fancy Birds is a single-player mobile game with 8,888 randomly generated NFT characters minted initially with custom features that fight through levels to earn their spot as the fanciest bird in the nest. Successful players earn 40% of the FNC token supply and upgrades. We will see the game launch multiplayer mode with breeding, staking, and tournaments planned. The team is in discussion to launch it on the Ethereum NFT scaling layer 2 project Immutable X. As with a number of other potentially big meme projects, Fancy Birds seems to spring out of nowhere on Twitter a couple of weeks ago after Elluvium founder Kieran Warwick wandered on Twitter. How has someone not created a play-to-earn Flappy Bird? He told Cointelegraph. It's not complex. It's just super addictive and a lot of fun. And at its peak, it had 100 million users daily. Turns out someone is actually building it, and it's in beta now. Warwick came on board as an advisor and helped organize the pre-seed, and the team is now reaching out to Framework Ventures, Delphi Digital, and a 16Z for the next round. The snowballing project is reminiscent of Barnbridge founder and Flappy Bird investor Tyler Ward non-fungible Pepe project, which was memed into existence by a number of the same people earlier this year, making millions in a few weeks before transforming into universe.xyz for copyright reasons. Warwick's own project, Elluvium, is another forthcoming blockchain play-to-earn game that's growing exponentially. The price of the ILV token has risen from $33 in June to the $800 mark now. It's amassed a $500 million market cap and they got 200,000 Discord members. Warwick also advised on setting up a community governance based on the models of Elluvium and synthetics. The team has been really receptive. They're going fully decentralized with a DAO first and a governance council with 100% of profits collected platform fees going back to stakers, he said. We reworked the tokenomics so it makes a lot more sense, so I think they are poised to be really big players. Elluvium is an official partner, and fans will be able to use an 8-bit version of that game's main character, Ramfire, to play in Fancy Birds. Fancy Birds hopes to appeal to the huge play-to-earn community in countries like the Philippines. It's tapping into the same thing as Axie Infinity, and it's on mobile, so anyone can play. So I'm expecting a ton of players to pile in, Warwick said. Meanwhile, Warwick said the Elluvium team was gearing up for the launch of its first trailer showing the world exactly how the game works. We've obviously built up a ton of hype, and we have nearly 200,000 people in Discord. Oh, excuse me. In Discord now, and things are going really well. But the one thing that we haven't shown is our gameplay trailer, he says. There's going to be a lot of people that are waiting on the sideline, and it should help us to get them over the line to say, this is real. This is actually happening. It is a AAA game. That's right, guys. For all you gamers out there, a new play-to-earn game called Fancy Birds is available. Now you can make money while you play the game. So awesome news right there. Epic news, as a matter of fact. And my allergies are going absolutely crazy. Maybe I can get a glass of water here. Let's go to the snowballing project. It's reminiscent of the Barn Bridge founder and Flappy Bird investor Tyler Ward. So guys, look into Flappy Bird. It is a major DeFi move right now. Oh, thanks. Yeah, I'll take this one. And this next segment, guys, is being brought to you by Alkaline Water. If you're interested in having alkaline water, please let us know. We've got home units that can be installed underneath your sink and also in the garage. So it's like a 7-tier filtration system when you have both of those. Okay, what else do we have here? More news. Oh, man, some of the hottest stories coming in. Let's see. Okay, Ripple CEO says that the SEC helped Ethereum to overtake XRP as a number 2 crypto. Wow. The Ripple boss claims that his company has been unfairly treated, thereby giving Ethereum the edge. Ripple chief executive Brad Garlinghouse has been airing his thoughts over the state of crypto market and regulations, and a grudge over the financial regulators' approach to Ethereum appears to have surfaced. Speaking at the DC FinTech Week virtual conference on Thursday, the Ripple boss declared that Ethereum had been granted a regulatory green light that enabled to surpass his company's XRP token. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been pursuing Ripple over claims that Ripple is an unregistered security. In January, Ripple filed a Freedom of Information Act request with the SEC, demanding to know why it didn't consider Ethereum to be a security. 6 months later, in July, a district judge allowed the company to depose a former SEC official who declared in 2018 that Ethereum was not a security. Garlinghouse clearly feels that his firm has been hard done by, and that Ethereum's subsequent success is, at least in part, due to more favorable treatment by the SEC. He stated that it is affecting the market, adding, within the last few years, XRP was the second most valuable digital asset. As it became clear the SEC had given a hall pass to Ethereum, Ethereum obviously has kind of exploded. That clarity has helped. XRP was the second largest crypto asset by market capitalization in late December 2017. It has currently slipped into 7th place, while Ethereum has held the second spot ever since. Garlinghouse also stated that the SEC has begun taking an aggressive posture against crypto, with recent actions against his own company and Coinbase. Commenting on Ripple's battle with the financial regulator, he said that the SEC claims to be protecting consumers, but you have nearly 50,000 U.S. people who hold XRP who are trying to sue the SEC for protecting them. Earlier this month, a U.S. district judge ruled that individuals holding the company's XRP token could not participate as defendants in the lawsuit. The SEC's request to extend the deadline to complete discovery in its ongoing lawsuit with Ripple Labs and its executives has been granted and pushed to January 14, 2020. Ripple claims that any further delay in resolving this case will cause serious harm to the interests of defendants and XRP holders. The court acknowledged this, but stated that the additional time sought by the SEC will not affect the schedule to resolve the case. So XRP really holding on by the skin of their teeth. It's horrible news. I really hope Ripple has a good platform. It's definitely a great way to diversify your investments. And it has relevance in the future of humanity, and it has application as well. So maybe we'll see Ripple go back up to the second place position, but it's going to be tough because Ethereum continuing to build more and more relevancy in the market, continuing to have a ecosystem that is more efficient. And so the more time goes by, the more efficiency we'll be able to see here. Let's see if we have anything else here. We're getting closer towards the end of the segment today. Ladies and gentlemen, please comment below. I want to know what your top 5 coins are. We have the Web Summit. Let's get into the Web Summit here. The Web Summit returns, and it's an in-person event to delve into crypto, DeFi, and NFTs. All right. Our events change year on year, but the one area that has remained topical is crypto, Web Summit's Shauna Kelly said. Major global technology conference Web Summit is returning to Portugal with an in-person event to delve into the world of fintech and cryptocurrency. On November 1st, Web Summit 2021 will kick off in Lisbon, Web Summit's first physical conference since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. The event covers topics from cryptocurrencies to geopoliticals, and it's anticipated to bring together 40,000 attendees, running until November 4th. So November 1st to November 4th. In Portugal, Lisbon, Portugal, we're going to be having the Web Summit 2021. And crypto is an integral part of the Web Summit. Its fintech expert Shauna Kelly told Cointelegraph that the crypto industry has emerged as one of the conference's most discussed topics in recent years, largely covered at Web Summit's Fintech Stage Money Conference. Our events change year on year, but the one area that has remained topical is crypto. We have seen a huge shift in the fintech world from the various different digital currencies and decentralized finance to the launch of non-fungible tokens and the question of how sustainable crypto is for the environment. Web Summit has hosted a wide number of panels, talks, and activities related to crypto and blockchain in the recent years, featuring major industry speakers such as Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin, Revolut co-founder Nikolay Storonsky, crypto advocate Akon, and many others. In an online Web Summit interview last year, PayPal CEO Dan Schulman predicted that digital currencies will become mainstream one day. Major blockchain data provider and wallet blockchain.com ran a $100,000 giveaway on the Stellar blockchain at Web Summit 2018, Web Summit 2021. Crypto and the blockchain agenda. The upcoming Web Summit conference will bring together executives from major companies and platforms in the crypto industry, including speakers from hardware crypto wallet supplier Ledger, smart contract platform Tezos, and decentralized web browser Brave. Speaking of Brave, I use Brave. I've been using Brave. I'm surprised I haven't mentioned Brave. I'm currently on Brave browser now. If you don't have Brave browser, please look into it. It's a alternative to Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and any other web browsers that you might be using. Brave web browser is a decentralized web browser, and you can earn tokens by using the Brave browser. On November 2nd, veteran crypto investor Tim Draper will discuss crypto investment issues with Tezos co-founder Kathleen Brightman and the Ledger CEO Pascal Guthier. Brightman will also address crypto mining in the context of global environmental concerns with BitGreen CEO Adam Carver. On November 4th, the Brave CEO, Brendan Each, will talk about the decentralized web and blockchain's capabilities to protect user data. The upcoming Web Summit event will also feature issues related to NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. On November 4th, award-winning rap star and musician Tini Tempa will discuss the impact of NFTs on the modern music business. Nicholas Julia, co-founder and CEO of blockchain-based fantasy soccer game Sorare, will also talk about the NFTs in the entertainment industry. Ilya Polosukin, co-founder of the DeFi platform Near Protocol, will speak about the decentralization of the internet enabled by blockchain technology. Some of the top speakers of the Web Summit 2021, such as the World Wide Web inventor Sir Tim Berners-Lee, could have something to say about the crypto industry. In July 2021, he sold an NFT of the web's source code for $5.4 million at fine art auction house Sotheby's. Berners-Lee will discuss the next era of the web during a panel discussion on November 4th. Cointelegraph editor-in-chief Christina Lucrezia Corner is participating as well. She will be discussing matters related to online commerce with Drift co-founder David Cancel and Redpoint CEO Laura Urquizu on November 3rd. Now, the COVID-19 complaint, originally held in Dublin, Ireland, the Web Summit moved to Lisbon back in 2016 amid a big jump in tech companies and remote workers choosing to move to Portugal. The country is now also one of the world's most vaccinated jurisdictions, boasting the second largest vaccination rate in the world after the United Arab Emirates, according to our World in Data. Web Summit 2021 organizers are working closely with Portuguese health authorities to ensure they provide a safe event and comply with local COVID-19 restrictions, including mandatory masks for events, official vaccine certificates, or a negative COVID-19 test will be required to attend the Web Summit. Where official certificates cannot be provided, organizers will require a negative PCR or antigen test, which will only remain valid for 72 hours. We could not be more excited to return in person, seeing people safely connecting in person again, and experiencing the magic of face-to-face interconnections will be incredible. Live events are bouncing back across the world. We're seeing thousands of speakers, startups, investors, and world-class media eager as ever to meet people in person again. Web Summit CEO Patty Cosgrave said. The Web Summit 2021 conference follows another major industry event, the World Blockchain Summit, which will be in Dubai, and that's hosted in mid-October. The conference brought together some of the industry's most prominent executives and investors, including Celsius Network founder Alex Mashinsky, Blockstream Chief Strategy Officer Sansum Mo, IOTA founder Sergey Popov, and others. Wow. Okay, so we've got 2 different summits going on, and one of them is in Dubai. The other one is in Portugal, and that is Lisbon, Portugal. So they're doing everything they can to stay in alignment with the COVID-19 rules and regulations and statutes. And we're getting close to the end today, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. We've got about 5 minutes left, and my allergies are going absolutely crazy. I do want to take the last 4 or 5 minutes here to, again, remind everybody about Trust Keys. Now, Trust Keys is a decentralized social media platform that's on the blockchain. Trust Keys features extremely safe end-to-end encrypted messaging, so you can get yourself a fully secured private chat and even a group chat with Trust Keys. Also, Trust Keys features a crypto wallet where it's absolutely safe for you to store and transfer cryptocurrencies with various type of blockchain and crypto. So on the crypto wallet, there's going to be coins that you would normally find on centralized platforms and also coins that you would find on decentralized platforms. So sort of bringing those 2 worlds together, along with an Epic exchange. You can join the one-stop blockchain exchange and get yourself right in regards to placement for trading. The most important thing to remember with Trust Keys is being the one-stop application for end-to-end encryption, wallets, and portfolios. And not only do you have your own wallet, portfolio, and exchange, you also have the ability to read a news feed. There's a whole community here being built on trustkeys.network. It's currently invite only, so if you want the invite key code, please let me know. I'm going to send you guys the invite key code along with the link for Trust Keys. You can download it on your phone, and it is going to be the easiest way to introduce people into the crypto community, because trustkeys.network is a crypto community that is being built as a global community, and it's focusing specifically on the DeFi movement or the decentralization finance movement. So leave your comments below. Ask any questions that you guys have in regards to trustkeys.network. They give you the option as well. You can develop your profile. So you're going to have a profile photo. You're going to have a banner that also goes on your profile, and a little bio. So that way you'll be able to share with everybody all of your links. Perhaps you have a website or any businesses that you have in relation to your crypto. And you can upload photos and videos to the news feed as well. So keep everybody in the loop about what it is that you're doing through trustkeys.network. Now this, like I said, brothers and sisters, this is a blockchain killer. 100%. I'm sorry, not a blockchain killer. This is a Facebook killer. I said blockchain because this Facebook killer is essentially integrating blockchain technology with social media together in a very easy to use app. The wallet is 100% secured, and the latest news with Trust Keys, we're going to get right into it. Wait, let me see if I can go back here. The Trust Keys app is considered to be what's called a super app. And the reason why it is considered a super app is because Trust Keys is introducing a social account with a decentralized wallet. The enormous growth of DeFi has scaled up in the number of users utilizing the non-custodial wallets. And because of that, we're seeing a whole bunch of more people getting onto the decentralization boat here. It has scaled up to the number of users utilizing non-custodial wallets, and the downloads of wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet,